what we've done is eliminated the choke on a ride engine. You can start at whatever speed, you just turn the key, you do nothing else.
And magic happens.
And magic happens.
Well, here we go. It's just like a car. It's unbelievable.
Here we go. Nothing to it, man.
What you think, man?
I love it.
I love it.
All right, cool. I love that. No choke. I love the no choke. I like that.
Little?
A lot.
What's easy about it?
Turning it on and off. It's simple, man. You don't have to do nothing.
Pretty nifty, huh?
Go Briggs.